Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. We want to presentate about implementation of star topology. My name is Maharani. First, I want to tell about IP address. IP address is an identity of computer of the network hardware. IP address also have to connect computer to the other device on network connection all over the world. The function of IP address is as the address where the data wants to be sent, location addressing, and host or network interface identification. IP version 4 has defined an IP address as a 32-bit and divided with 4, so each part is represent of 8 bit. The IP address is our project is 192 and it is C class. In class C, the first 24-bit represent the network part, so the default subnet mask are 255.255.255.0, while the remaining 8-bit represent the host part and also support 254 hosts on each of 2 million network. The default subnet masks of the project are 255.255.255.0. Author changed it to 255.255.255.240. It become 240 because total device that author use 10 computer. So the CIDR that use are 28, with total address that can be used are 16. The first IP address 192.148.24.0 used for identity. The last IP address 192.148.24.16 used for broadcast. Use this is if the admin wants to send a message to all of the hosts.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amir Roswendra and I will read the next slide. Next is subnet mask. Subnet mask is a logical subdivision of an IP network. The method to divide the network into two or more networks called subnetting. The function of subnet mask is to make efficient allocation of IP address on a network, to increase security system, and to reduce unstabilized network that usually appear if there is too much host in a computer network. Next, topology network. The topology that author use for this network are star topology. Star topology is method to connect two or more computer with network in the shape of star. Every node connect to central network device or switch. The central network acts as server and the peripheral device or computer act as clients. The advantages of using this topology are 1. Centralized management of the network. 2. Easy to add another computer to the network. 3. Network will not be interrupted if the network on one of the node or computer has failed. 4. Maintenance will be easy to handle. 5. The network speed is the same each. 6. Flexible and high level of security. Cable that author use in this topology are copper straight through or unshielded twisted pair.
Hi, my name is Karina Natasha Darmawan from Group 4 of 2CC7. In here, I want to explain the last slide of our project. It's about the design and the testing network. In here, you can see the design of our network. We use star topology. The device that we use are 10 computers and a switch. The 10 computers are PC0 until PC9. The next slide is the IP address and the subnet masks of the computers. The IP address for computer 1 is 192.148.24.1. For computer 2, 192.148.24.2. For the next computer, we just change the last number with the right order. So, for the computer 10 is 192.148.24.10. The subnet max for all of this computer is 255 points. 255.240. The next slide is a testing network to see if the connection is working or not. To testing the network, we open the command prompt in Cisco Packet Tracer and then write ping and the IP address. In our project, the testing network of all of the computer is connected, but we just input two pictures of the testing. The first picture is a testing for IP 192.148.24.1 in the computer 1, and the second picture is a testing for IP 192.148.24.10 in the computer 10. That's all for group 4. Thank you for the attention. Sorry for the mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.